Hi guys, how you all doing? And I'm Wendy Williams voice. Welcome back to another video guys. Welcome back. What I'm gonna be doing today, I'm gonna do a nice updated jerk chicken, spicy jerk chicken guys. A long time I don't do something like that, so I'm gonna put everything together. It's been a while since I've done a jerk chicken video. I'm seasoning them. I'm a chicken. I'm gonna clean up my chicken, so I'm gonna show you now. Alright, here's the chicken. I'm gonna clean my chicken. Yes, with some vinegar. I'm seasoning over here, right over here. I'm gonna use some vinegar in the seasoning. I'm gonna use some dark soy sauce just to give the chicken a nice jerk chicken, nice color and thing, you know. I'm gonna use some lemon pepper. I have some nutmeg. The nutmeg guys, you know, the jerk chicken, nutmeg, I like nutmeg flavor in my jerk chicken. And I'm gonna use a small amount of sugar. I don't have any dark sugar, but you can use, I have some white sugar, so I'm gonna use my granulated sugar. Scallion and thyme, pimento seeds, ginger, garlic, good amount of garlic and onion. Guys, you have to use a lot of garlic. You have to use a lot of garlic for your jerk and your pimento seed and your ginger. Turn up your flavor in your jerk chicken. Alright, let me just put these aside. So here's my pepper guys. I'm gonna use 1 whole pepper. I'm gonna use 4 pounds of chicken. Scotch bonnet pepper. So here's my chicken. I'm gonna clean it. So I'll get off some of this excess things that you don't need. Right, and I have the vinegar already on it. You can use lime, you know. Alright, keep on the skin on the jar. Try to keep on as much skin. If you take off the skin, it's gonna be dry. So the skin lock in the moisture. Alright. Clean out the chicken guys. Clean up your chicken, your meat in general. Okay. Nice. Tell me what I like a jerk chicken with. I like it with a festival or bread. Let's clean up this and come back here guys. You know, if you're making a decent cuttings, you know, we can just chunk them up guys, you know. Nothing decent and proper, because we're gonna blend it. Just take out the stem and just put this. Okay. Tablespoons of sugar. This is not even 2, it's not even full properly, so call it about 1.5, about a 1.5 tablespoon. This is a teaspoon of the nutmeg. I'm gonna use a small amount of the lemon pepper. I'm not gonna use any salt because you see this guys, the lemon pepper is real salty. Yeah, very salty, so I'm just gonna use a tablespoon. And this again guys, soy sauce is salty, so I'm not gonna use no form of salt. Alright. And about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Yeah. Here's my seasoning. Okay. And I'm gonna taste it. It's time to taste my seasoning. Taste it on camera, I'm just go like this. perfect.
It's hot.
Hot and spicy. Real Jamaican jerk seasoning, guys. Real Jamaican jerk seasoning. Alright, I'm gonna leave back some to make a sauce. So I'm gonna rub in this, marinate it, let it sit for about 2 hours. Can be about 3 hours, that's all. Yeah, I'm gonna give it 3 hours. I have to make sure everything well seasoned, get seasoned and all that. Everything under the skin. You know, you lift up the skin. And make sure. So I'm gonna set this aside, guys, and see you back soon. Alright, see you all soon. Alright, I'm back after about 3 hours. But you can marinate the chicken, your meat overnight if you have the time and stuff. You can just season it and just put it aside for the next day. But just demand for 3 hours and come back. Alright. So preheat the oven. So take the season. Suck the season right up. And it's clean here, guys. My hands are impeccably clean. I want to do the skin, make sure. Alright, so we're gonna start the ball and roll. Turn it over. So I'm gonna put it first 30 minutes. The part you have on a lot of skin, but what to do? First 30 minutes. Alright. Alright. First 30 minutes. I check on my jerk chicken. I tell you that over jerk chicken and I never bother put it on the grill outside. Alright, so we're gonna check in back now. After about half an hour now, so we'll look at it now. Wow. Wow. Yes, guys, coming right along. Coming up good. I want a turkey base for real. Really want something, you know? I have to buy one. To get one. Yes, guys, we're getting there. Turning on the nice color on the other side too. Nice over jerk. Wow, this will get a problem, man. I mean, I want to stick it with the fork, you know. When you stick, if you stick your chicken with the fork, you know, the juice is gonna run out. We use the tongue to turn it. You can use the fork, you know, because more time the fork is like, you know, you kind of stick it, make one stick and turn it over. But the juice, when you stick it, the juice just run out. So I'd rather use the tongue. This is the end. It's about an hour and a half now, you know, guys. Finally finish. Finish. Nice and juicy, golden brown. Yes, here it is, guys. Nice juicy oven jerk chicken. Nice and juicy. So, you know, we have to taste it on camera. I have to taste it with the guys. I'm gonna use now. Not even gonna use any. No, a knife. Wow. You don't know, you know. Val's kitchen, you know, guys. No lie. Guys, I rate myself, you know, I'm not tell you. 10 out of 10. I rate myself. So, guys, thanks again for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Alright, and see you all in the next video. Bye.